on YouTube? Happy New Year. First video of the 2022 I'm recording today. We got a Dodge Journey 2013 with the 3.6 liter V6 with the thermostat code. Go figure, very common issue, especially on the 3.6s. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. Forgive me if I'm rusty. I've been on vacation for the last few days, so I'm a little hungover from the holidays, if you know what I mean. So let's pop this cover up. No bolts. Get out of our way. She lives right here, just like on the minivans, but this one's a little more difficult than the minivans because you got a lot less room. So if you've watched my previous videos on like a Caravan or any minivan with this motor, you'll see that it's got a lot more room to get to this bottom bolt. So I'm going to show you how to get this bottom bolt a lot easier, because I'm not going to be able to get an electric ratchet on that bottom bolt. Top one, yes, but not the bottom. So I'm going to take some vice grips here, put them on that clamp. Pull back on that insulation. And a little tighter. A little tighter. Now let's see if we can break the seal of this hose. Something's hindering me. There we go, we got it now. And pop those off. Should have brought a pry bar out here, but whatever. If we can work this hose off, of course without damaging the hose. Oh yeah, make sure the engine's completely cooled down before you do this. I always forget to disclose that, I'm sorry. Take your cap off. I know this one has no pressure behind it because it's been sitting for several hours. Alright, now we'll proceed. Yes, the coin's starting to come out now, so. There we go. Alright, just gonna tuck that hose out of our way. And the reason why I took the hose off first, because on the minivans I'll just take the whole housing off and pull it up and then work with the housing. This one I do that because you can get under there better with a socket to get to that bottom bolt. We're going to take that one out first, of course. Deep well, 1/4 inch. Alright, just enough where we can loosen it. And get our socket on there. Take it the rest of the way out before we break that top bolt loose. Probably get my fingers on it now. Get old twisty action. All right. Now, top bolt, I can get the ratchet on. Yeah, I'm still feeling pretty weak. I had the Rona last week. I'm still not 100%, but I'm back at work. Hit me right when I was about to have my days off, which I spent most of the holidays laying around in bed. But I'm able to function, so I'm back here now. Still a little fatigued. And of course, I left the part inside. Here. So, bear with me.
That's actually a really good point. Yeah, and it sounds like
It's a beautiful day out. Y'all know I like to do videos outside. Whenever I can, possibly. For a few reasons. Make sure your O-ring's seated. And also make sure your old O-ring ain't stuck to the block either, which this one's not. Grab your top bolt, which it don't matter, both bolts are the same. I'm going to run that all the way down flush. So you're going to want to leave yourself a little wiggle room with the thermostat. So line that bottom bolt up. And the tricky part. I'm not going to tighten them down until I got this other one bottomed out. Running out of blood flow here. Okay. And tighten this top one. Just enough clearance. Yeah, it'd be nice if I had a medium well, 1/4 inch, because when I use a short one with the short extension, it's still too long. So let's see here. I'll try to get it on there. Oh yeah, barely. So I can get the short one on it. Take your hose. Yeah, most of the thermostats I do in the minivans. A lot more minivans on the road than these journeys. Just goes to show, just because it's the same engine doesn't mean it's as easy to do. Because I'd have been already done if it was the minivan. fellas, or a Jeep with the engine turned the other way. Go ahead and adjust these a little tighter. Usually I'd use my cable clamp pliers, but they're broke. And the tool guy hasn't been here in a couple weeks because of the holidays. Get on there, you fool. Alright. Now, Mr. No Spill. Yeah, this Corona ain't no joke. It whooped my butt. I'm still pretty weak. But I gotta pay the bills, so I can't miss work. Grab your little funnel action. Grab you a flathead screwdriver. Crack the bleeder screw. Just a few turns. Start filling up with coolant. You start seeing it come out from the bleeder screw over there. Watch for those little air bubbles. Once you stop seeing air, a steady flow, go ahead and lock it down. Then just start her up and let her run. Turn your heater on. When it's blowing hot out of the vents, it's a good indication that it's bled out. You start seeing no more bubbles bubbling in your funnel, you're good to go. Put your coke back on, get all your tools, reset your code. Y'all have a good day. Sorry about the technical difficulties. Like I said, I'm a little lethargic from this freaking coronavirus. It's really took a toll on me and my energy, but we made it through it. So happy 2022. I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all have a good day. Like, subscribe. Peace out.